Few days ago, a friend of mine shared with me how he makes between 100 to 500,000 naira every week without lifting a pin. He makes this money through paper arbitrage. He shared every secret with me. In this video, I'm going to share everything with you without holding back. And that's because I'm rooting for you. So any information that will bring money to your pocket, I'll bring it your way. That's why we are friends. Guys, this is by far the easiest way of making money online today. And the best part is that you don't need any experience, you don't need any special skill, you don't even need any special gadgets to do this. With click of buttons, you get things happening for you. So to share this amazing business opportunity with you in details, in a way you understand it and make use of it immediately, I divided this video into two parts. In part 1, I will talk about what paper arbitrage is. I will talk about the basic things you need to start this online business. I will talk about important tips that will help you make real good money from this. I will also talk about who to buy from. I will show you a platform where you are going to sell these paper funds with just a click of a button. I will talk about how much you are going to buy and sell. And finally, I will show you 4 ways to withdraw your money. In part 2 of this video, I will talk about where to get people that will sell their paper funds to you. I will also share smart strategies that will help you get more customers. Strategies you are going to use to keep your customers coming, selling their paper funds only to you. We know that business happens when there's a repeat customer. In order not to miss this vital part of the video, you want to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. So when the part 2 drops, you will be among the first people that will learn how to get people that will sell their PayPal funds to you before every other person jumps on the idea. With that said, let's dive into the business of today. Paper arbitrage is basically buying paper funds at a cheaper rate. That's official rate of 300 to 400 naira per dollar. And you raise the price and sell it at black market rate of 560 naira per dollar. Guys, this is the new oil well, and it's by far the easiest way you can make money online today. A lot of smart guys are making money today with this paper arbitrage, and you too can do this. In this video, I'm going to share step by step everything you need to know and do to start a paper arbitrage business. Everyone is doing one online business or the other, and almost everybody is a freelancer today. And both freelancers and online business owners get paid in dollars. So all want their dollars to be converted to their local currencies so they can withdraw it from their local banks. Collect their money in naira at a good rate. Now this is where you come in. Most of these freelancers do not know how to convert their paper funds to a withdrawable cash. Those that know do not want to go through the stress of conversion. If they want to transfer the paper funds to you, you send them the naira equivalent. Selling paper funds is a great business you make a lot of money from without stepping out of your house. So when you get the funds in bulk, money everywhere. And let's do a little maths. A freelancer sold $500 to you at the rate of 400 naira per dollar. You sold it at the rate of 560 naira per dollar. Still online. That's what smart guys out there are making. First, you need to have a PayPal account. In case you don't know how to create a PayPal account, here's a video that shows you how to create a functional PayPal account here in Nigeria. You will learn 2 types of PayPal accounts, the personal account and the business account. And you also learn how to create a business account, which is exactly what you need for this dollar arbitrage business. So your PayPal account must be verified for you to receive these funds from your customers. You need some cash, so you send the money to your customers when they send the paper funds to you. Now here's the thing, when customers send the paper funds to you on trust, they expect you to credit them immediately. So you need to have some cash in your account that you transfer to them immediately to buy their trust. Then you go on to convert the funds to cash. You can withdraw either in naira or in dollar. Now how do you get cash in case you don't have any money on your account? At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make a free PayPal money without any form of investment. So you want to watch the video to the end. Here are the important tips that will help you make real good cash from this dollar arbitrage business. You need to know all these tips to make sure you stay profitable. First, PayPal charges 5% fee. For every incoming funds you receive, PayPal will charge you 5% fee. You need to include it while pricing your customers. If, for example, someone sends you $100 via PayPal, you can only withdraw $95 because PayPal will deduce 5% charge. 2. Bank charges. Banks also collect their own charge, and it varies from bank to bank. So you want to connect with your bank to know how much they charge. Then you go on to include it while pricing your customers. So if at the end of the day someone sells $100 PayPal funds to you, you might want to put the charge at 10% fee. This will help you understand how much you can cash out to price appropriately. 3. You need to be updated on exchange rate, so you charge accordingly. You know that exchange rates fluctuate. You should be in the knows of how much the official rate is and how much the black market price is. This will help you in deciding how much to buy as well as how much you're going to sell the funds. So these are the basic things you need to get started. Where are you going to get people that will sell these PayPal funds to you? That's exactly what I will be sharing with you in part 2 of this video. I will show you 7 amazing places you are going to get people that will sell their PayPal funds to you. So you should go on and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified immediately I drop that video. This way, you'll be one of the first people that watch the video when it drops, so you take advantage of the knowledge and start making money for yourself even before other people come to watch the video. Where are you going to sell these PayPal funds? The platform is called Gray. As at the day of recording this video, $1 sells for 560 naira per dollar. That's a normal black market rate. It takes a few clicks to create account on Gray. On Gray, you get different currencies: USD, Canadian dollar, pounds, and the rest of other currencies. So all you need is go on Gray and create a free account for yourself. So here is Gray, and there's so much you can do on this platform. You get to sell your dollar at black market rates. You can also create foreign bank accounts on Gray absolutely free. So you want to check this platform and sign up. It's an amazing platform where you get value for your money. According to the platform, it takes maximum of 3 days to convert your money, but my friend told me that it takes just 24 hours to get your money converted and sent to you in Naira. So in less than 24 hours, you get this money delivered to your account. You can withdraw it anywhere you are from your local bank account. The second way is to withdraw with your card. That is the card you link to your PayPal account when you created it. If you do not know how to link your credit card to your PayPal account, here is a video that will guide you on how to do that. So with your UBA Africa, you can always withdraw your dollar anywhere you are from a dollar ATM anywhere in the world. The third way is to send the PayPal fund to family or friends who live abroad and ask them to convert it to dollar or even send it to you in Naira. Transfer the funds to them and they give you the Naira equivalent at black market rate. Now, how much are you going to buy and sell? Like already said, price of dollar fluctuates. So you want to be in the know on when it's high and when it's low. But whatever the price is, you should always aim for 100 to 150 naira per dollar profit. This way, it will cover all the expenses you incurred. You still have a lot of money left for you as your profit. So if dollar sells for 560 naira, you should aim to buy at 400 or 420. This way, you have a lot left for you after the transaction. In part 2 of this video, I will talk about 7 smart ways you are going to get people that will sell their PayPal funds to you at official rate, and then you go on to make money selling it at black market rate. I will also show you strategies to keep them coming, selling to you over and again and again. So hit the subscribe button and share this video with your family and friends.
As promised, here is a video that will guide you on how to make free PayPal money. Check the description and the first comment for a link.
See you in the part 2 of the video. Bye.